Let's practice a Qigong routine to support your immunity and vitality. Imagine you are in beautiful nature. Take a big in-breath as your hands come up and around. Breathe out as they come down the center. One more time, breathe in. Your hands go up and breathe out. Your palms face the direction of travel. One more time, breathe in. Imagine you are receiving tons of energy from the universe through the top of your head. The fresh energy comes into your body. Place your feet a little bit wider than your shoulder width apart. Have your palms face downward. As you breathe in, your hands go up. Bring your hands up and down. As you breathe out, your hands will come down. As you bring your hands up, feel the Qi energy through the top of your head. As you bring your hands down, feel the Qi energy from the earth on your palms. Forward rock pushing. As you push your hands forward, feel your palms. Feel as if you are pushing the big rock forward. Gather Qi energy in your Dantian. Tighten your core. Hold your breath and push your hands forward. Breathe out and relax your arms. One more time, focus on your Dantian and push your palms. Opening exercises. One more time, your hands will go up and around. You are drawing Qi energy from the universe and bring it down to your body. Feel your body from the top of your head, chest, and Dantian. This movement helps you move any stagnant energy in your body. Keep feeling your body. Parting the cloud. Take a big in-breath as your hands come up to the center. Breathe out as your hands go out and around. Breathe in as your hands come up to the center. Turn and breathe out as your hands come down and around. You are drawing the Qi energy from the earth up through the bottom of your feet and legs. Pull it up through the center of your body. One hand push. Turn your body to the right and push your right hand forward. Do it the other way. As you push your hands, feel the Qi energy on your palm. Use your left hand to support your right arm. Bend your knees and hip joints so that you can strengthen your core and your lower body. Keep pushing your palms. Feel the energy in front of you. In this way, you get connected with the energy of nature. Prayer's wheel. Turn your body to one side with your forward knee bent. Make big circles with your two hands with your palms facing each other. Coordinate your arms, your hands, your Dantian, and your lower body. Turn to the other side and keep drawing circles with your palms. Relax your shoulders and feel your body. Look front and breathe in and out through your Dantian. You are naturally doing abdominal breathing meditation. Keep moving your body. Circles on the surface of the ocean. Draw circles with one hand. With all your sincere mind, keep drawing circle with your palm facing downward. Feel the earth energy. Now to the other direction. Establish strong connection with the earth with this simple movement. Feel the Qi energy with your palm. Have sincere mind. Now, with two hands, draw circles together. Relax your gaze. Look far ahead. We are losing lots of energy through our visual sense in our daily lives. Relax your gaze and feel as if you are moving your hands on the surface of the ocean. You are moving your hands on the vast ocean of energy. Feel the connection with the universe. Feel the abundance of energy. As you get connected with this abundant energy, you are activating your natural healing power. Just like this, your natural healing power is immense and abundant. Turn your body to your right. Left hand goes up and right hand down. Turn your torso to the right and your hands move with your torso. Do it in the other way. Your eyes follow your hand that is moving upward. Slowly move your body left and right, and you are circulating and coordinating the internal flow of energy. This movement may look very soft and smooth, but the actual movement and circulation of energy inside is very active and strong. It is soft outside but strong inside. Feel your Dantian. You can feel great peace with this movement. Feel the waves of energy. Empty stance. Turn your body to your left 45 degrees and put 90% of your weight to your right leg and only 10% or less to your left leg. Strengthen your right leg. Feel your Dantian. And let's do it to the other side. Keep feeling your body. If you want to challenge yourself, you can even lower your body. In this way, you can strengthen your core and promote the circulation of energy in your body. Prayer posture. Bring your feet and knees together. Open your arms and bring them together in front of your chest. Let your mind heal your body. Your sincere heart your earnest mind will heal your body. Breathe in, bring your hands up, and bring them together in front of your chest. What is your wish? What is the thing that you want to achieve? Focus your mind to your purpose. Don't allow any racing thoughts. Dantian breathing. Put one foot forward with your hands on your Dantian, on your core. As you breathe in and breathe out, you can feel your Dantian moves forward and backward. Relax your shoulders. Strengthen your lower body. Feel your Dantian. Do the abdominal breathing meditation. Relax your upper body and strengthen your lower body. In this way, you can achieve the balance of energy flow in your body. Energy circulation. Move your hands forward and out. And bring the energy back to your Dantian. One more time, bring your hands up and forward and out. Keep feeling your body and bring the energy back to your Dantian. Breathe in, your hands go up. Hold your breath and push your hands forward. Strengthen your core and out. Keep feeling your body and breathe out. Bring your energy back to your Dantian. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Becoming one with Mother Nature. One more time, breathe in. Feel your body. Energy comes down from the top of your head, your chest, and your Dantian, your belly. One last time, breathe in. Let go of any stagnant energy in your body. And breathe out. Get connected with Mother Earth. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you like this routine, do this every day to support your immunity and vitality. Thank you.